Okay, so let me show you something. This tool video got 13 million views, 11 million views, and 7.3 million views. In the last 7 days, the channel got more than 100 million views. And here you can see the total views of the channel. Now, if you want to make these types of videos completely for free, watch this video till the end. First, you will find this prompt link in the description box of this video. You just have to copy the full prompt from here, then paste this prompt into ChatGPT. Now from here, it will ask you to select any tool in which you are interested. Let's say I am interested in the jigsaw cutter, number 4. Now it has generated prompts for us like image prompt and video prompt. Here you can add a brand name, and you can replace it with your own channel name or anything else that you want to show. Now copy the prompt from here, go to Grok, and paste the prompt here. Add your brand name, and generate your first image. Once the image has been generated, choose the one that suits you. Let's say I am choosing this one. Now download the image. After that, again come to Imagine, upload your downloaded image, and copy your video prompt. Now your whole video has been generated. If you want, you can upscale it for better quality, and you can download it from here. And that's it. Here in this playlist, you can find more AI video creation methods. So watch them as well.